but focusing on everything else which is important, and not staying with something which will imbalance your thoughts or make you react in only one particular way which may not be helpful to you. All right.
Yes.
Okay, so Diksha, still not unmutable. Okay. Parvneet, could you please share your thought event? Whether you want to type or you want to speak, please go ahead.
हाँ तेरा नाम पर उसका एक ही है क्या?
Are you there, Parvneet? Okay, Parvneet is going to type. Meanwhile, Kashish, could you please throw light on what to you is negative thinking and positive thinking? Or which are the negative thoughts which you have? You said angry, you said irritation, you also said about not appropriate words being used, inappropriate words being used, right? So what to you is negative thought and what to you is positive thought? In a layman's language, anything that means sense to you.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Kashish.
Ma'am, actually I lost my dad last year,
Okay.
and after that he met with an accident, and after that I I feel like something can happen like this again. Something can happen like that. So
Okay.
if even if my mom is going somewhere out, I'll
Hmm.
even if my mom is going somewhere out, so I'll feel like, oh God, now she's going out. Now what will happen? And even if I will go out, even if my sister will go out, I'll think the same. So from here, that negativity has come inside me, and not because of just this incident. No, because of this incident, I take everything negatively, and nothing is positive. Yeah, I'm sorry, and nothing seems positive now. So for me, negative thinking is like negative thoughts which come across my mind. That's
Okay.
it.
All right. And now Parvneet says that she cannot really think of anything, but balancing for her would be countering her thoughts with positive reinforcing thoughts. So, when I talk about balancing your thoughts, I would say that you would bring about to your awareness, to your focus, what a balancing thought is. You would bring about to your awareness about your own selves, your own body, your own senses, your own surroundings, your own thought patterns, what you're able to think of and what you're not able to think of, and the like. So, when we talk about mindfulness, mindfulness is all about consciously focusing on your thoughts, focusing on the present given moment in a non judgmental manner. And when you're not judgmental about a situation, then you will not actually stop and think about anything in particular. So, it could be anything that you would stop and think about, you would not. For example, I just met with almost a nearly accident situation. And then I came back home and I was fine. My family consoles me that Ramneet, you're fine and everything is going to be fine. Nothing has happened. Thankfully, you're saved and you did not actually get hurt in the accident you were about to meet. Now, if I still take a longer duration of time. For instance, the moment I was just about to meet the accident, I returned home and it took me almost 1 hour. Thereafter, my family takes half an hour to maybe one around in the complete duration, I only realize that the event has passed and I am safe. My family consoles me that I am safe and sound, and thereby in future we will take care of ourselves so that we do not get harmed anymore. Okay. Now, if I ponder on that thought again, more than once, even after that 1 hour, in a serious manner, that oh Lord, kuch ho jata mujhe, to bas kuch hone wala tha, I was about to die, this and that stuff, then it is a mindless action, because this action is going to in future and at the very same moment, the very same day, in the very next hour and a half or lesser, is going to harm my health, both emotionally and physically and mentally. Okay. So mindfulness talks about balancing your thoughts in such a manner that you know वो इवेंट निकल चुका है, अब वो आएगा नहीं दोबारा से, उसमें जो होना था वो हो गया है. What you have to do is the next time, stay safe, take whatever actions you can, and if not, at least past में नहीं जाओगे आप बार बार और future में नहीं जाओगे. Mindfulness therapies and mindfulness practice suggests that you do not focus on the past events and you do not focus on the future events, because what is at present, then you lose track of that. If at present I'm communicating with all of you, sharing some information, sharing some knowledge, and giving you some therapeutic exercise, or we are playing some little games over this online webinar, and at the same time, if I'm focusing on what I have to do tomorrow morning or maybe tomorrow evening, will I be able to focus here? I wonder. I won't be able to, because then my focus is going to be diverted towards the tomorrow. And when that happens, today at this point of time, I'm only going to be able to pay half attention. And any activity to give us positive results, shouldn't we have a full attention, 100% of ours?
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely. So that's what I mean, and that's what mindfulness means. Okay. Before I continue ahead about the balancing thoughts, let's have some inputs from Sudiksha. She was not able to join with audio earlier. Now she has her audio. Yeah, Sudiksha, tell me, what event, what thought came to your mind? What to you is balancing of thoughts? And since many of her individuals already have mentioned
Yes.
that negative thoughts imbalance you and they want to balance them with reinforcing positive thoughts or positive thoughts and not focus on the negative side. Some inputs
Yes.
from you on this.
Yes, absolutely true, ma'am. So like in my opinion, I would like to state, these situations, these circumstances that bothers me a lot. And so basically I am in a difficult situation when it comes to balancing my thoughts with my emotions. So
Okay.
supposedly, I'm in a conversation with one of my friend, and it's a very intense conversation, and we are directing or tangenting that conversation into a negative one. So I face that imbalance thing when I have to control my emotional nature, and when I have to think practically. So
Okay.
that's absolutely right, that you reinforce your emotions into more positive ones, and degrade the negative ones. But when you're actually in this situation, it is not always possible that it is applicable. So
I
so in my opinion, like the situations that I actually get into, where there's a a very tight conflict between my thoughts and my emotions. So yes.
Absolutely. I loved your example. I loved the situation you portrayed here, because obviously most of us are lacking behind balancing of our thoughts in the very same condition in most of the situations where we do not know whether to let the emotions in or the brain should work.
Exactly, ma'am. That is what I meant.
Nice. And so goes for negative thoughts and positive thoughts. Could some of you just give me examples of some negative emotions and some positive emotions? You could write in the chat box. So I give you 2 minutes, one negative emotion and one positive emotion. All of you should write. And share it with everyone. Unable to think of any emotion? Nobody has responded yet. Quick responses. Okay, one is there. 2 are there. So Parneet says that if I get out of the house in pandemic, something bad would happen. It is negative. Okay. So Diksha has given a positive emotion, which is hope, excitement. Negative is fear and anxiety. Very good. Nice. So hope is definitely a positive emotion. Excitement again. And the
So
negative.
yes,
Yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt, ma'am. So I just meant to mention the, the only the names, like the
Perfect.
face
Perfect.
emotions, not
That
the
was needed.
situation.
That was needed.
Okay, ma'am.
Wonderful. Aditya, Kashish, some negative emotions, you might have many, you might have less. So 1 or 2 would work to write in the chat box. So we have options to deal with.
Ma'am, anxiety and fear are negative emotions for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
But could you type some of your own other than anxiety and fear? If
Ma'am,
something comes to
I'm
your
not
mind.
finding the chat box.
Okay. Don't worry. It should be at the bottom of your screen. Written as chat. If it is still not there, you could tell me audio wise only. Don't worry. Parvneet's positive emotion is I'll work on my immunity so that I can cope with the pandemic. If I have to get out of the house, I will be more healthy and happy. Okay, that sounds affirmative and optimistic. So something that is affirmative is which will motivate you in a positive manner to work towards your goal, to work towards your own selves. And it will affirm you, which means that it will positively motivate you more and give you more skills to be able to do a task in a fruitful way. Kashish, no inputs from you. I cannot even hear you. I'm waiting for your reply.
Ma'am, I'm thinking of it.
Okay, still thinking? Anyways,
Yes.
1 more minute. Hurry up. You might have many, you might have less, but you will have some. आप में से कितनों को माइंडफुलनेस प्रैक्टिस के बारे में अवेयरनेस है या थी ऑलरेडी बिफोर यू कम टू दिस सेशन?
I had it, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Had
so
you
the-
attended any session earlier?
No, I have not attended any session as in particular, ma'am, but theoretical knowledge. I do have it of mindfulness, cognitive behavior therapies, because I'm already done with my master's. So we did have a lot of things in regard to this.
Okay, great. You know MBCT and MBSR?
Not exactly, but yeah, I am done with the basics, and but we have not practically done it.
Mm-hmm.
But yes.
Okay, so Diksha, since you have some prior knowledge about mindfulness, after the session is over, today's session, just drop me a message on my
Yes,
WhatsApp,
ma'am.
email, or
Okay, ma'am.
Instagram, wherever, and
Okay, ma'am.
give me some suggestions that you would want to attend on the webinars which you would want to attend
Sure.
specific to mindfulness. So it would be
Absolutely.
MBSR, MBCT, or some practical
Sure, ma'am.
skills you would want to learn.
Sure,
Okay.
ma'am. I'll definitely text you.
Definitely do that.
Yeah.
So Kashish says that anger and jealousy are negative emotions. Absolutely. Anger and jealousy are highly negative emotions, and we have techniques to deal with anger as well. So we have anger management techniques, we have conflict management strategies, we have, of course, something which deals with anxiety and fear. Anxiety workshop was conducted last week, and we do not have something to deal with jealousy. So that is just a thought which we cannot really deal with the technique, but certainly if we give some logic to our brains, we can handle it. Now, all of you mentioned one emotion that you would want to deal with in a manner that this emotion or this thought which comes to your mind, which could have been coming any time in your life, in the situation given, any time, any situation, you want it to be replaced with a good one. So suppose for some people going on to the stage is an anxiety situation and they get fearful कि कुछ हो जाएगा, मैं गिर जाऊंगी या गिर जाऊंगा और माइक टूट जाएगा या मैं बोल नहीं पाऊंगी, लोग मुझ पे हंसेंगे. So that is a fear which is coming there. And if I want it to be replaced with a positive thought, for me that positive thought will be that I feel more confident when I'm going on the stage. So मेरे पास fear था, which was a negative thought and emotion, and then I had confidence, which I want to feel. So one is which I am already feeling in a given situation, the other one is which I want to feel. तो ये दोनों मुझे लिख के आप लोग चैट बॉक्स में भी देंगे. For this I will give you a peaceful 5 minute का time. Okay, so start. You can write it on your notebooks and then write it in the chat box, however you feel comfortable. Perfect. So Diksha has already told hers. So Diksha, meanwhile, when you've written this and you wait for others to write theirs,
Yes, ma'am.
kindly define to yourself what is restlessness with all
Okay,
its
ma'am.
sensations and features which it gives you when you
Okay,
are
ma'am.
restless in whichever situation you think you are. You could
Okay,
mention the
ma'am.
situation if you want to, so that you remember it better when
Okay,
we deal
ma'am.
with it,
Okay, ma'am.
as well as you define for yourself patience. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Aditya, define for yourself to your mind very clearly what worthless is and what the feeling of grateful is, so that when we deal with it, it is not a confusion to your mind कि क्या था grateful में feel करना और क्या worthlessness में feel करता हूँ मैं. Okay, if you find it confusing anywhere, please drop the message in the chat box. Kashish, you want hope to be replaced with optimism. Okay, तो डिफाइन करो दोनों को, होप को भी और ऑप्टिमिज्म को भी. होप में क्या फील करते हो जब होप होती है, तो ऑप्टिमिज्म में क्या फील करना चाहते हो, so that it is very clear to you that I am going to feel this when I want to deal with my thoughts. Parvneet, you're yet to give your thought. Acha, so meanwhile, now we've done with this exercise of at least writing and thinking over what we want to deal. I would want you all to read each of your messages in the chat box. Kashish, you hope that the person you love is going to maybe love you, and which is what you expect, and you want to change that to optimism. Is it so? Please clear if I am wrong.
Yes, ma'am. If I love someone, or so it raises my expectation to a different level, and when it happens, I end up hurting myself because that raises my hope. And if that person hurts me, so yeah, it happens as if it's like my world is upside down and I'm just broken. It happens with me. So I just want to change that to optimism. I just want to change that mindset.
Well, hope तो एक positive emotion नहीं है. Isn't hope a positive emotion?
पॉजिटिव है, बट मैम वो चीज मैं किसी से एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकती ना कि तुम ऐसा ऐसा मेरे लिए करो,
So
because I
then,
can't.
okay. So could you place it expecting from others instead of hope? Because if you stop hoping for something good to happen, how are you going to sustain in a tough situation? Kashish, you
Yes,
were
ma'am.
done saying, dear?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. So, are you able to understand what I mean?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes,
So,
definitely.
expectation instead of hope works.
Hope.
So,
Yeah, ma'am.
expectation is the current behavior. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
expectation is what you're having right now. And
Yes,
उसके
ma'am.
साथ क्या associated feelings है? जब
I'm
expect
really
करते हो
thinking.
तो hurt.
Yeah, I'm hurt. I'm angry. And
Okay.
yeah, I'm scared. कि
ठीक है.
अब पता नहीं क्या होगा.
तो ये expectations के साथ में एक नीचे bracket
Yes,
में लिख
ma'am.
लेना.
Okay.
ठीक है, सब
Yeah.
ऐसे ही कर लो similar manner में, so that you know that when you are actually wanting it to be dealt with, this is the situation or this is the exact thought you want to deal with. Okay. Okay. I'm just reading everybody else's messages. So Diksha, yeah, it is fine if you speak. Aditya, worthlessness for me is when I don't feel, sorry. When I don't feel worthy of anything or any person, when I don't feel worthy enough for them to be a part of my life. Gratefulness for me is when you are grateful for everything that you have. Okay, grateful makes sense. Wordlessness again makes sense for you. Good. So, Parvneet, anxiousness over what may happen next is to be replaced with calm and composure. So, the future or perspective or the thought of future again is causing anxiety. Okay. So, for anybody, it does. Whether or not you realize it practically, but focusing on future will actually create anxiety. The racing heart, the aching. Somebody wants to say something? Constant feeling of I have to do that, I'm running out of time. Okay, perfect. I'm wanting to read Sudiksha's explanation. Where is that?
Ma'am, that is what I have stated in the chat box, that it is more comfortable for me to speak
Okay,
rather
tell
than,
me. Tell me, dear, tell me.
yeah, just a second.
Okay.
For me, it was replacing my restlessness emotion with being more patient. So when I'm restless, in my knowledge, I have that inability when I'm not able to relax myself.
Mm-hmm.
I go into that state of calmness,
Okay.
or a still thing is absent basically. So for me, when I'm restless, it is something when I am most irritated.
Hmm.
It is when I feel so tired even without, when I've not even done anything.
Hmm.
My sleep is disturbed. So some of the thing that I feel, so I am just stating that. And if I want to, I want to replace my restlessness thing with being more patient. So for me, being patient is something that I'm able to tolerate, be it certain situation which has anxiety. So it is very important for me as an individual to stay very patient in order to deal with that anxious situation. And so when I'm able to be patient, I'm
Hmm.
able to calm myself, I'm able to compose myself,
Hmm.
and just be kind to the situation and just deal with it. So rather than being restlessness, if some anxious situation is imposed on me, जैसे like as in like
Anxious situation?
any anxious situation, ma'am.
Okay.
Supposedly, the example, I would rather take an example that you only gave. Supposedly, when you're going on a stage in order to perform, so
Mm-hmm.
that is a particular situation where rather I would be more anxious.
Okay,
So,
yes.
yes, so that is what I am replacing my anxious thing with being more
Mm-hmm.
patient,
Good.
composed, and calm.
Okay.
So, yes. So
That's a good point.
this is what I try most of the time, because not every time you try to compose yourself and keep yourself calm, but every time it's not possible for an individual to actually, stay calm and, stay in that peaceful situation. You tend to get anxious, you tend to, think a lot, and, you're not able to deal with this situation. So this is what I usually do in my day-to-day basis. I try and, be less and less restless and be more patient, because like if I take nowadays example, it is very, very, very important for all of us to, calm ourselves and being patient with the circumstances.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your definition for you looks perfect. And for everybody, it is our definition of our emotions. So there is nothing which is not perfect and nothing which is wrong, nothing which can be judged or anything which will be judged, especially by a person like me, anyone who is dealing in the same profession as I am. Nothing is going to be judged. Even Sudiksha is now a psychologist, I believe, because she's done her master's. So again, the same thing. Now, when I believe that you all have a situation in mind and an emotion in mind which you want to deal with, we will deal with it in the very next 10 minutes, okay? Meanwhile, I would request you all to turn on your videos unless it is extremely necessary for you not to do so. I saw that earlier. I did not see Kashish though. But if you turn on your videos, better. If you cannot, now we are going to actually begin with a small mindfulness exercise. So for that, rest your back if you want. If you want it to be straight, you can keep straight. If you want your legs to be rested, let them rest and relax. Let your arms relax. You can close your eyes. You can keep your eyes open. And as you're directed by this audio which I'll be playing, just be there. Focus on that. Listen to the voice. Follow the instructions, and wherever at all, whenever you think that you still need some other help and you're not able to focus, just let me know. Okay, let me know with a message in the chat box and I will see what to do with you. So I believe that you're all resting. Your eyes may be relaxed now. Relaxed means in the best of your positions which you want to feel comfortable in. Okay, here we go.
So to begin the body scan,
Okay, so we'll be beginning now.
So to begin the body scan, lie down in a comfortable position. And while breathing in through your nose and exhaling either through your nose or your mouth, take several long, slow, deep breaths in, fully inhaling, and then exhaling slowly. Begin to disengage your mind from your busy thoughts or your busy ideas. Gently close your eyes and bring awareness to your body. Notice how your body feels in this very moment. Take notice of any tension within your body, and notice the areas of your body that are experiencing this tension. Take notice of any areas of your body that are particularly comfortable or relaxed. And see if you can just notice these areas without judgment. Now bring awareness to your left leg and to your left foot. Notice any sensations occurring perhaps in your toes or on the top of your feet. Is your foot cold? Maybe it's warm. Perhaps there's a tingling sensation. Continue breathing and just notice whatever sensations are there. Become aware of your calf muscle, of your knee, and of your left thigh. And as you breathe and in your mind's eye, see your breath moving down into your left leg. And as your breath moves down into your left leg, allow that leg to become heavier and to sink deeper into the bed or to the floor. Now bring awareness to your right leg and to your right foot. Notice any sensations occurring in the toes of your right foot. Continue breathing and just notice whatever sensations there are. Become aware of your calf muscle, your knee, and your thigh. Notice any feelings or any sensation, any tightness in that area. And as you continue to breathe, again in your mind's eye, see your breath moving down into your right leg. And as your breath moves down into your right leg, allow that leg to become heavier and to sink deeper into the bed or into the floor. Next, shift your attention to your hips and notice if there's any tension in this area. It's not uncommon for tension or tightness to build up in the hip area. Whatever sensations you do notice, again, breathe into that area of your body and then allow your hips to get heavier and to relax and sink. If your mind starts to wander at any time during this meditation, gently acknowledge your thoughts and then redirect your focus back to the body scan. Scan for any sensations within your stomach. Notice your stomach and become aware of your abdomen as it rises with each in-breath and then falls with every exhale. Now bring your attention to your lower back. Notice any sensations or any discomfort in that area of your body. And whatever you notice, just acknowledge it and then breathe into that area of your body. Move your awareness into your upper back and your shoulders and your chest. Breathe into this area. Become aware of any sensations or, in particular, any emotions that you hold in this area. If you notice anything coming up for you, just be aware of it and acknowledge it, and then gently let go of any thoughts or judgments. As you're now centering your focus on your chest area, notice the feeling and perhaps the sound of your own heartbeat. See if you're able to connect with your heart on a deeper level while you're in this relaxed space. Now bring awareness to your left arm, to your hand, and to your fingertips. With the thousands and thousands of nerve endings in your hands and fingertips, notice any sensations in that area. Don't attempt to force your noticing, just be present and aware of this mindful experience. Shift your focus now to your right arm and to your right hand and fingertips, and notice any sensations in this area of your body. Now guide your attention to your neck area. A lot of tension is carried around in the upper back and neck. And if you notice tension, breathe into that area and allow that area of your body to relax. If you happen to notice a heightened sense of tension within your neck, try telling yourself that my shoulders and my neck are now relaxed and comfortable. Bring your awareness now to your face, to your nose, your mouth, and your eyes. Allow your face to relax and to soften. If you're experiencing any tension within your face, in your mind's eye, allow your breath to move into that area and gently whisk away any tension that you have. Now, as you move your focus to the top of your head, notice any sensations, any tingling sensations perhaps that are going on, and take notice of how clear your thinking is. Become aware of how comfortable and how at peace you feel in this very moment. So feel free to stay in this comfortable body scan position for as long as you like. And when you are ready, begin by wiggling your toes. Tighten your calf muscles, squeeze them tight and then release. Tighten your thighs. Release. Stretch your arms out and clench your fists in a ball. Allow for a big yawn, a big stretch. And then gently open your eyes. So before getting up, just pause for a moment and take notice of the experience that you just went through. Try not to grade your experience as being successful or unsuccessful. Just notice it for what it was.
If you had your eyes closed, gently rub your palms against each other and then take it over your eyes. Now, and as you feel ready, kindly unmute yourself and share your experiences. So that was a simple body scan exercise, a simple mindfulness exercise. I know it was a little longer, but that is the only con. And the pro is that it would have left your body all scanned of any painful, any drenching thoughts and patterns, but left you in a completely relaxed body and mind. So this was my experience. What is yours? The one who wants to speak first, please unmute your mic and share. Also, please take a sip of water. Take yourselves some time. Have some water. And as you feel comfortable to share your experience, please go ahead. Kashish, have you been helped? Want to share
Yes,
something?
ma'am, I was not thinking of anything negative or positive. I
Okay.
was just feeling myself. I was just like you said, you will scan your body. So yeah, I was feeling. I just felt something. I was shivering. Like
Okay.
my legs were shivering. That's it, and nothing else.
Are they fine now?
Yeah, ma'am, definitely.
Perfectly fine?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So, Kashish, try and do as much as of the exercise you remember with yourselves on a day-to-day basis when you can. When you need my assistance, just text me, drop me a message on my Instagram portal or somewhere. So
Sure,
I'm
ma'am.
there on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
WhatsApp me. And if you want one-to-one help, let me know. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
On and all, how has your experience been? Are you feeling better?
Yes, ma'am. I'm feeling better now.
Okay. Parvneet, please share your experience. Okay, she would not probably speak, but she'll type. Meanwhile, Sudiksha,
Um, to be very honest, I'm feeling very relaxed because I had a really long day. So
oh,
yeah, thank you.
you're welcome. Most welcome.
Yeah.
So it was better for you. It helped you
Yeah,
out.
yeah, feeling relaxed.
Wonderful. So that was the
Yes,
main idea.
yes, ma'am.
Aditya, please share your experience.
Ma'am, it was peaceful. I felt I'm at ease. I felt
You're not audible, dear. Aditya, please unmute yourselves. Yeah,
hello.
tell, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, it was a very peaceful experience. I felt very relaxed.
Okay. You could go
That's
through
it.
the entire process of visualizing.
What, ma'am?
You could go through the entire process of imagining where the stress was coming out of your body parts.
No, ma'am, not really. Feel that. I didn't felt something is coming out.
Okay.
Not
So
that
were you
much.
able to follow the instructions of the audio, or was
Yes,
it
ma'am.
difficult for you? You were able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Pavneet says she's feeling much relaxed. It was like the body was enveloped with a positive energy. Wow. Wonderful expression, Pavneet. Thank you. So now, as we are all feeling better, relaxed, and I assume some of us may be feeling content, but for some of us, like Kashish had shivering of legs, maybe some emotions have started to startle her, or maybe some have started exiting her body, and hence she is a little in the middle of somewhere of relaxation and restless position. But she'll be completely relaxed soon. Now, what I want you all to do is, so I'll pick somebody's example from the series. Okay. Who should I? Okay, so maybe I will give you an example of my own. I have a situation wherein when I step out of the room in the morning, I feel anxious because I have a series of tasks to do right away. Okay, so this is my situation, that I feel anxious. So this is the then situation, and when I step out of the room. So when and then, these are two key words which we want to be using here. Now, I would want you all to focus on the screen, which you've already been doing for pretty long now. And I share something with you so you know what I want to say. Okay? So, when I exit the room in the morning, then I feel anxious. For whatever reasons I'm feeling anxious. Okay? So the key words here are when and then. Okay? Everybody is able to see this? You can turn on your audio so that if any confusion is there, you can speak with me. Okay?
Yes.
So we have to create a content for when, कि वो क्या situation है, and we have to create a content for then. कि हमें क्या चाहिए. जो मेरी bothering situation है, वो ये वाली है. ठीक है? Which is when I exit the room in the morning, I feel anxious. Now I want the situation to be that when I feel anxious, what do I want to feel when I exit the room? So when I exit the room stays the same. Then I feel enthusiastic. So because I have to do a lot of tasks landing ahead of me is the reason that I'm feeling a little anxious. And because I now feel enthusiastic of doing the tasks, I will not feel anxious, but I'll be able to do them with enthusiasm and maybe not feel any bothered. Okay? Make sense? Make sense for all of us? Similarly, you have to create a statement for yourselves. So one statement which you want to change, the other one is going to be the one you want to have. Okay? So like Parvneet probably did a little bit similar to this. She said, I'll work on my immunity. Okay. So let us all actually frame our statements and share. Can we do that? Raise your hand at least in the reaction box so I know. And I'll be very grateful if now you can turn on your videos and tell me if you're having any issues anywhere. Kashish, Sudiksha, please turn on your videos if you can and let me know if you were helped or you need any more assistance in the when then statement. And I'll tell you what next you have to do in the when then statement. Okay, nice. Sudiksha is there on screen. Hey, you're looking so good. Why do you want to hide your beautiful face? Can't hear you, dear. Your audio is off. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, I just say that I didn't understand it completely, what you were trying to write in there.
Okay, I'll just explain over again, okay? When I'm about to give my vivas, I'm nervous, and when I start speaking, I'm more confident. So Aditya, I'll explain once again and tell you how it has to be framed. Okay. So this, sorry. Okay. So when, then. Okay. This is the kind of situation or statement we are going to create, and this is a problem statement first. So the first we write problem statement कि ये मेरे साथ already होता है, ठीक है? Then उस situation में क्या होता है? When I exit the room in the morning. तो morning हो गया दिन का पहला time. So when I'm exiting the room in the morning, then I'm feeling anxious. I feel anxious. Reason being, lots of tasks to do. Okay. So this is a problem statement. We call this a when then statement, which will help us change the current problem and have a solution. And how we will continue to have a solution, you will be guided by me. Prior to that, we need this problem statement in hand. Okay. So problem statement हमने लिख ली, अब हम लिखेंगे solution statement जो हमारा mind हमें कहेगा कि yes, this will work for you, Sudiksha or Aditya or Parvneet or Kashish, whoever. So this statement will work for you. और अगर मैं इसको recall करती हूँ या इस statement को by heart कर लेती हूँ, my subconscious mind store कर लेता है, तो it will help me. So solution statement मेरे लिए हो जाएगी when I exit the room in the morning. So I want the same situation to be dealt with. Then I feel enthusiastic. Why do I feel enthusiastic? Why do I want to feel enthusiastic? Because I don't have a lot of tasks to do. I would actually be able to do them. So I want to feel enthusiastic. Okay? Got that? So this is the solution statement. That was the problem statement. अब ऐसे अपने लिए एक statement create कर लीजिए सब लोग. I'm keeping the screen here itself. So Kashish, can we have a situation, or do we want a situation wherein we feel confident when we meet a person at the first go? So उसमें आपके situation ये बन सकती है कि when I meet someone for the first time, I am confident or I am comfortable. Do you want it that way? Because this way then तो है ही नहीं statement में one thing. Okay? And you know कि आप first time मिलते हो तो confident नहीं होते, second time मिलते हो तो comfortable होते हो. But what do you want to change in that first meeting is what I want to know.
Ma'am, I want to feel confident because when I feel meet someone for the first time, I'm nervous. I'm not confident. I feel I'm not. Huh?
Good. Go ahead.
So I feel as if like if I meet someone who is very pretty or is very confident or talking very fluently, so I feel अरे मुझमें तो कुछ गड़बड़ी है. I'm not talking properly. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that. So I feel inferior in front of that person. So I want to change this thing.
So you first time when you meet an individual, you're feeling conscious and uncomfortable and unconfident, which means आपकी statement कुछ ऐसे बनेगी when I meet someone for the first time, then I feel. What do you think should be the suitable word? Then I feel unconfident.
Yeah.
Okay, तो इसको लिख लो अपने पास में.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, ये प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट हो गई, इसको लिख लो एंड देन यू राइट द सॉल्यूशन सॉल्यूशन स्टेटमेंट. Aditya, when I am about to give my vivas, I'm nervous. When I start speaking, I'm more confident. अब आप क्या चाह रहे हैं कि आप क्या फील करें? Because this is that when you start speaking, you feel more confident. Do you want to feel confident the moment you start giving your vivas instead of feeling nervous? Is that so, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So आपकी when then statement problem वाली आपके पास आ गई कि क्या बनेगी? पता लग गया? बना सकते हो आप?
Yes, ma'am.
बनाओ और मुझे बताओ. Problem statement. So Diksha, done? Share कर दो. बताओ.
So I was formulating my statement only, but somehow I could not complete it. But I meant to say that, you know, whenever I enter into a state of dilemma, like suppose you have to choose between two things, you have to decide. Yeah, indecisive, being not able to take a decision. So there comes my state of being anxious, being extremely aloof. I'm not able to decide. I get lost. So
Okay.
this is my problem statement.
Okay. So when I am in a state of dilemma, then I feel.
I'm finding the right word to fit in it.
Okay, you want to think of a right word.
Maybe because I'm not able to decide, I'm being so confused that I end up being a little sad about this fact. So I can go with being sad, that when I'm in the state of dilemma or not able to decide indecisive thing, so I'm sad usually.
Okay. If it resonates with your mind, perfect, go ahead. Okay. So you have a problem statement in hand now.
Yes, ma'am.
And now frame a solution statement. Also, Kashish, you please try and frame your solution statement if you haven't, and if you have, please let me know if we actually wrote that too.
Ma'am, I want a few minutes.
Okay, take your time. When I eat sweets, I feel guilty, then I work out and I feel better. Solution: when I go to eat sweets, I will remind myself I want to stay fit. Then I will focus on balancing between food and workout. Okay. थोड़ा सा specific कर लो, because again multiple stimuli, brain will get confused and it will wonder कि भाई किसके साथ deal करना है. Because हम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं, अभी जब आपको बताऊंगी in the next 2 minutes you will know. So you can write it this way: when I eat sweets, I feel guilt. Then I feel guilty. And solution could be: when I go to eat sweets, then I am reminded that I have to balance between food and workout. Okay. So then statement के बाद आपका इमोशन आ जाएगा जो आप फील कर रहे हो और जिसको आप रिप्लेस करना चाह रहे हो. एक बार रिट्राई करके शेयर. You could speak if that looks better. Parneet. Kashish, आपका न्यू स्टेटमेंट डेवलप हो गया? सॉरी कशिश, यू टेक टाइम. आदित्य, आपका हो गया?
No, ma'am, not yet.
कितना टाइम? क्या हुआ? कहाँ स्टक हो रहे हो? the thought not coming, feeling not coming, which you want to write, or what? So that I can help you.
And I'm not able to find the right words.
Acha. So the right word for confidence?
Ma'am, whether I feel nervous or is it anxiety, I can't choose between them when I'm about to give my
You
viva.
could write nervousness for now, you can deal with that. And if tomorrow you feel that when you're in a situation of giving viva, this is not working, you could go with anxiety. Then you choose anxiety and deal with that. Okay? Can
Okay,
we try
ma'am.
that way?
Yes, ma'am.
So the problem statement and the solution statement. Okay? So
Yes.
Parmeet has corrected hers. When I eat sweets, then I feel guilty. Solution statement is when I go to eat sweets, then I am reminded, add then there, okay? Then I am reminded of the fact that I want to stay fit. Or then I am reminded of balancing my eating patterns. Okay? Something which is little crisp, specific, and easy to remember and recall, because you will have to memorize it and bring it to your autopilot. So Diksha, you did? Share.
So, so when I decide or when I get a solution to a problem that I'm stuck on to, so for the future circumstance or future situation, even if I get into the same circumstance again, and this time I'm finding a solution and I'm getting, a path to move away from that problematic situation. So I get a feeling of joy or hope. That can
Good.
be my.
Good. So joy or hope, any one you can choose. I think go with the.
I think hope would go better because you tend to be more excited कि आपको solution मिल तो गया, but then it's more of a hopeful thing that next time you'll get it. So I think I would be doing it.
Whichever so is well defined to your mind. So whichever word when you recall and say, automatically the feelings come to you the best.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kashish, have you been able to do that, dear? Okay. When I meet someone for the first time, I am nervous, and then after getting comfortable with them, I feel confident. So there are two statements here, Kashish. When I meet someone for the first time, then I feel nervous. And the next one, which is the solution one, is that when I meet someone for the first time, I feel confident. Okay, then I feel confident. Remember to add then. So the key words or the key two terms here are when and then. The statement is formulated on the when and the then. Okay, make sense now? When की statement लिखने के बाद आप सबको then की statement लिखनी है for both problem and solution oriented one. For Parvneet, it made sense. Diksha, it made sense. Aditya and Kashish, please confirm back to me. Meanwhile, I'm explaining on why we are doing this activity. So our conscious mind is actually reacting in the current moment. ठीक है, जिससे हमें याद रहता है, हम अलर्ट रहते हैं, हम फोकस कर पाते हैं, अवेयरनेस रहती है about everything happening around. Then comes the unconscious mind, जिसमें आप जब सोते हो तब रहते हो, या when you go and faint तब रहते हो. Then there is the subconscious mind. So there are three levels in a manner that conscious mind is here and the subconscious mind is here, और उसके बीच में जो gap है वो bridge होता है. Sorry, the conscious mind and the unconscious mind, and the subconscious mind is bridging this gap. Okay, this is the subconscious mind. अब subconscious mind में हमारी values store होती हैं, what we want to do store होता है, कई बार कुछ dream stored होते हैं जो हम लोग suppress कर देते हैं, कुछ thought store होते हैं जो हम लोग suppress कर देते हैं, and when we train the subconscious mind, which is nothing of its own, but whatever we ask it to do, it will do. So today, if I tell my subconscious mind that sleeping peacefully will actually make me feel better and relaxed, and I'll be able to do well throughout the day. On the other hand, sleeping won't help me. So दोनों में से जौन सी भी स्टेटमेंट मैं अपने माइंड को रिपीटेडली बताती रहूंगी, my mind, my subconscious mind will autopilot take it in a way कि it will react the very same way I told it to every other time. So when I'm going to sleep and I've been telling my mind that sleeping won't help, I'll not be able to sleep. But when I've been able to tell my mind frequently that sleeping for a good long while or to a minimum extent of time, you will be able to work well throughout the day, it will take it that way and it will sleep for the required hours. Check करना कभी आप सब experience कर सकते हो. While you go off to bed and tell yourself to sleep, also tell your mind कि मुझे इस time उठना है सुबह and wake me up at this time. For example, 6 o'clock and I should be waking up at this time. Please wake me up at 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. I have to wake up at 6 a.m. And to some extent, your mind is already in that scenario of waking up nearly around that 6 a.m. wala hour. Practically, this happens. Unbelievable. No, it doesn't happen.
No, not at all, ma'am.
माइंड की ट्रेनिंग पुअर हो गई है, फिर माइंड को ट्रेन अच्छे से
Yeah.
करो.
लॉकडाउन में हो गई है.
लॉकडाउन में सबकी हो गई है. Doesn't matter.
Yes.
See, तो वीडियो इंटरैक्शन इस तरीके से हेल्प करता है. आई एम एबल टू चेक ऑन यू पीपल बेटर, राइट? Otherwise, one way for an instructor also goes like blank. Who am I talking to? Okay, and okay. So now I'll check the statements of Kashish, Khatri, and Aditya. When I meet someone for the first time, I am nervous, and then after getting Kashish, और आपने change नहीं किया ना situation अभी?
मैम आपको I was listening to you. मेरा ध्यान नहीं था उस चीज पे.
अच्छा ठीक है, फिर आप लोग ऐसा करना दोनों जने. When I am about to give my voice, I feel nervous. Then when I start, दोनों का statement फिलहाल गलत है. So you connect back to me later again. And meanwhile अपनी statements आप दोनों लिख के मुझे भेजेंगे. अब statement के साथ करना क्या है? आपको अपने mind को ये statement repeat करते रहनी है. So when you cram an answer for any of your exams, what do you do? रट्टा मारते कैसे हो? एक ही चीज को बार बार रिपीट करके खुद पे चलते फिरते खाते पीते सोते जागते वो स्टेटमेंट आप रिपीट करते हो. सेम यू हैव टू डू विद दिस व्हेन देन सिचुएशन एंड स्टेटमेंट. सो फॉर मी आई वुड से when I exit the room in the morning I would feel enthusiastic. When I exit the room in the morning I will feel enthusiastic. So this 24/7 throughout the week you have to repeat to yourself n number of times. So there is no specific count or limit to repeating this to yourselves, but you have to repeat it to yourselves. Okay, so n number of times. Firstly you repeat this to yourself, and when you think that this has now become autopilot और आप actually वैसे ही react कर रहे हो जैसे आप चाहते हो या आपको वही emotion feel हो रहा है जैसा आप चाहते हो, then you can stop and then you can move to the next problem on roof. And for any problem you can create a when then statement. You can always reach out to me on the Grace of Mind for one-to-one sessions. You can reach out to my YouTube channel for previous webinars or this webinar which is conducted. The recording started a little later, 5-10 minutes later, but you will be able to find some fruitful information for yourselves. And you can reach out to me on Facebook. You can reach out to me on YouTube. You can reach out to me on Instagram channel and WhatsApp number as well. So for whatever of your problems you feel, you can reach out to me. The first session, the consultation session is always free. Therefore, the future sessions are paid. We have packages for students and for adults, there are different packages. Okay. You have to give me a feedback, and I forgot to show you your workbook, how it will look like. So this is what your workbook is going to look like. Okay, this is that of the last session. somewhat like this, which also acknowledges that you participated. Okay, so your participation is stated here. For those of you who want to show in your universities and colleges that you participated, this is a whole team of exercises that you would do in this mindfulness workbook, and these are going to help you for wherever or anywhere at all you find that you need some assistance or help. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm not explaining these in detail because it would take some time. So once you find these workbooks, if you feel any problem right away, drop me an email. Okay? If you think of something with all your heart, and if you actually feel it through all your senses are your vision, your hearing, your speaking, the sense of taste, the sense of touch, the sense of smell. If you realize that it is reality, whether or not it is in the present moment, it will turn into reality, provided that by the universe's law, your desire or what you want to turn into reality is something ethical and something actually good, something practical. So when you set a goal, when you want something to become real and become a part of your life, you have to set specific goals, specific practical and reachable goals. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Any questions other than this? Any questions are taken? Okay, no questions anymore? Okay, so you reach on to me on my Instagram page, on my Facebook page, on YouTube channel, IGTV on Instagram. Follow me there for more posts. Follow me for more workshops and webinars. Drop in any suggestions you want. Any good feedback or negative feedback, most welcome. Any suggestions for future webinars, most welcome. Like I told you, Sadiksha, already. So drop in a similar message like that. Thank
Definitely,
you.
ma'am.
You're most
Thank you,
welcome,
ma'am.
Parvneet and Kashish. Sorry, Sadiksha.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome. So I would want all of you to give me a thumbs up if you like. If you want to give me a thumbs down, you could give that also, and I will just take a screenshot, okay? Aditya and Kashish, if you can turn on your images, or if you could give your reaction. Okay. Aditya, Parvneet, Kashish, please put on your videos. Hey Kashish, you're so pretty. Why were you hiding your face?
Yeah.
You'll feel good about your emotions, don't worry. Parvneet, I saw your face, you hid it back. Aditya, where are you?
Ma'am, I've shaven off my head, so I'm
It doesn't
not
matter.
able to.
It doesn't matter. Just show me your
No,
face.
ma'am.
Guys, please give me a
Aditya, show
minute
your
of thumbs
face.
up, no?
No.
Session अच्छा नहीं लगा?
Laga, ma'am, but it doesn't mean that I have to show my face so to tell you that.
Okay, that's smart. Okay, anyways, Kashish and Parvneet, please come on screen once and give me a thumbs up, and then I'll quickly take a screenshot and turn off. Okay? Thumbs up, Parvneet? Kashish?
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up. Sadiksha? Okay. Anyways, also shy people here. Okay, that reaction works better, I think. Everybody can give a reaction.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Any more suggestions?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
We'll definitely
welcome.
stay in touch. We will keep on mailing you with suggestions.
Definitely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any questions are also most welcome.
Yes.
You're welcome, Aditya. Please
So,
keep being a part of future webinars as well.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay, all of you. Take care, practice the Bandhan statement, and if you need any assistance, please let me know. Signing
Sure,
off for today.
have a great day, ma'am. Thank
You
you.
too, all of you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, ma'am.
Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.